So we're gonna be cooking it up in the kitchen. We're gonna be cooking up in the kitchen with Jasenia, me of course, and we're gonna be making quesadillas. This is gonna actually be my dinner for tonight. It is like, I want to say it's sometime probably after 8 o'clock now. I don't know the exact time right now, but just know it's dinner time, okay? That's why I'm making the quesadillas, and I will be baking as well. So stay tuned for that. And I'll be baking these right here, chocolate chip cookies, and I'm so excited to bake cookies, y'all, because I have not had baked cookies in a very long time. So I can't wait to see how these turn out. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my quesadilla. So I use these flour tortillas right here. I use the picante sauce as a dip for my quesadilla, and it tastes so good. Like, oh my gosh. Get you some picante sauce. And then I use the black beans right here. I have my Sargento 4-cheese Mexican. So all I'm gonna do is just get scoops of the beans and put it on one side of the burrito. So pretty much everything is gonna go on one side of my burrito. So when I close it, it's gonna fold, and then it will allow me to, you know, just flip it back and forth, and it's gonna be a quesadilla. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle my cheese. So go ahead and flip our quesadilla over. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, y'all, just a little more oil. Right. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm gonna let it soak the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it, y'all, because it's gotten a little golden, as you can see. Of course, we got some more work to do, but I'm just taking turns to flip it on each side. So now I'm gonna make the dessert, y'all. It's only right now. Go ahead and get it started because I don't want it to take too much time. So I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven at 350. So I'm gonna use my pizza tray, but that's all right, y'all, because I'm gonna put the aluminum first, just so the cookies don't stick to the tray. Don't think I forgot about my quesadilla, okay? I did not forget about my quesadilla. I just gotta multitask now, because, like, you know, we still gotta be in bed by a certain time so we can just chill for the rest of the night. So that's why I'm trying to move a little faster. If you know, you know, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes you just want to be out the kitchen quickly. And yeah, so, oh guys, my cookies are tearing up. But that's because it's so sticky now. It's been sitting out, so it's definitely like more room temperature than. Ooh. Y'all, I don't know. I'm just gonna try to make them work. All right, hold on, y'all. I gotta flip my quesadillas. All right, y'all. See the quesadillas? Last but not least, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. Last but not least, I'm gonna use the salsa, and I'm just gonna pour it, y'all, on the side so I can dip it. And just like that, dinner is served. I got my cookies right here, but y'all, before I take it off the aluminum, I gotta let it cool down, because I tried, y'all, and I kind of messed this one up. It's still too soft, so I gotta, you know, let them harden up a bit. And then once I do that, I gotta put it on a tray and then come up with my thumbnail. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let them cool down right there. Here are my quesadillas. Yummy, right? Yummy in my tummy. So make sure you make this meal as well, and it can be yummy in your tummy, right? And to drink, I'm really gonna have my kombucha right here. It's the pineapple peach. And y'all, I'm gonna need this because this is a heavy meal, but really with the beans. And yeah, beans will really do it for my stomach. So to cleanse myself out for tonight, I'm gonna definitely have to take some kombucha. But anyway, y'all, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoy watching my video because I enjoyed making it for you guys. And comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.